Hi everyone, Joe here and welcome back to Gear Culture. Today we're talking about something that affects every single one of us who drives. Your fuel bill. Yeah, I know. Petrol prices are like that friend who keeps borrowing money and never pays back. They just keep going up, right? But here's the good news. You don't need to trade in your car for a bicycle or start carpooling with your neighbor who talks way too much about their cat. There are actually some super practical ways to save you that fuel that anyone can do, starting today. So in this video, I'm going to share 10 proven ways to improve your fuel economy, and stick around till the end because I've got one bonus that hardly anyone talks about, but can save you some serious money. Ready? Let's dive in. Okay, first one up. This is probably the biggest fuel waster out there. Aggressive driving. I get it. We've all been there. Someone cuts you off, the lights turn green, and suddenly you're auditioning for the Fast and Furious. But here's the thing. Rapid acceleration and hard braking can lower your fuel economy by up to 30% on the highway, and even worse in the city. That's a lot. Think of your accelerator like it's got an egg under it. Gentle acceleration, smooth braking, your wallet will thank you, honestly. And your passengers will probably appreciate not getting whiplashed every 5 minutes. Now, I know this one isn't as fun to hear, but trust me on this. For most vehicles, fuel economy peaks out at around 80 to 95 kilometers per hour. After that, every 8 kilometers per hour over 95 is like, paying an extra few pence per liter. So when you're cruising on the highway doing 130 because you're making good time, you're actually just burning through your fuel like it's going out of style. Here's a pro tip. Use your cruise control on long highway stretches. It keeps your speed consistent, which is way better for fuel economy than constantly speeding up and slowing down. Plus, it's easy on your wallet and your right foot. So it's a win-win. Number 3, stop idling. And I'm not just talking about when you're waiting to pick up someone who said they would be ready 5 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. If you're going to be stopped for more than about 60 seconds, turn off your engine. Modern cars use very little fuel to start. Definitely less than what you burn just sitting there with the engine running. Some of you may be thinking, but Joe, doesn't starting a car use more fuel? Nope. That's actually an old myth from back then when we had carburetors. Modern fuel injection systems use way less fuel. So drive-thrus with long queues, turn it off. Waiting at a school pickup, turn it off. Your car will be fine, I promise. You can lose about 0.3% in fuel economy for every 1 psi dropped in the average pressure of all your tires. That may sound like not much, but it adds up really, really fast, especially if all 4 tires are low. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. The correct pressure is usually on the sticker inside your driver's door, not on the tire itself. And do it when the tires are cold, like first thing in the morning for the most accurate readings. Plus, properly inflated tires last longer and are safer, so really, there's no downside here. Number 5, clean out your car. Yeah, I'm talking to you, the person with half a gym in your boot, 3 weeks worth of shopping bags, and that box you keep meaning to return, but it's been 6 months. Every extra 45 kilograms in your vehicle can reduce your fuel economy by about 1%. And if you've got a roof rack or cargo box up there that you're not using, take it off. That thing is creating drag and can reduce your fuel economy by up to 25% at highway speeds. I actually cleaned out my car last month and I found 2 dumbbells, a tent, and about 7 quid. in change. So not only did I save fuel, I meant money, kind of. Tip number 6, use the manufacturer's recommended grade of motor oil. This one is simple, but always overlooked. Using the wrong motor oil can increase friction in your engine and can reduce your fuel economy by 1 to 2%. Doesn't sound like much, but over here, that is real money. Look for motor oil that says energy conserving on the performance symbol. These oils contain friction-reducing additives that can genuinely improve your fuel economy. And while you are at it, make sure you're keeping up with your regular oil changes, because a well-maintained engine is an efficient engine. Number 7 is about being smart with your trips. Cold starts use more fuel and your engine is most efficient when it's warmed up. So instead of making 3 separate trips throughout the day, combine them into one. You need to go to the supermarket, the post office, the bank, do them all in one loop. Also, try to save your errands for when you're already out. If you just got home from work and your engine is warm, that's actually a great time to swing by the shops real quick, rather than waiting out later when the engine is cold again. A little planning goes a long way, plus you'll save time, which might be even more valuable than the fuel. Number 8, regular maintenance. I know. Car maintenance isn't exactly exciting, but a poorly maintained vehicle can use up to 30% more fuel. 30%. We're talking about things like replacing a dirty air filter, fixing oxygen sensors that have gone bad, keeping your engine properly tuned. All this stuff matters. A clogged air filter alone can reduce your fuel economy up to 10%, and it's one of the easiest and cheapest things to replace. Like seriously, you can do it yourself in most cars in about 5 minutes with 0 tools. Treat your car right and it will treat your wallet right. Number 9 is about air conditioning. Now, this one's a bit of a balancing act because we've all had of different advice. Here's the truth. Running your AC does use fuel. At low speeds, like in the city, you're usually better off rolling down your windows, but at highway speeds, open windows create drag that can actually use more fuel than your AC does. So the sweet spot, windows down in the city, AC on when you're on the highway. And when you do use the AC, park in the shade where you can, have your car not turn into an oven in the first place. Also, don't blast it all at max. Once your car cools down, dial it back. Your fuel economy will definitely benefit. And number 10, let's talk about premium fuel. Here's something that may surprise you. Unless your owner's manual specifically requires premium fuel, you're probably just wasting money using it. Most modern cars are designed to run perfectly fine on regular unleaded. Premium fuel has a higher octane rating, which prevents knocking in high compression engines, but if your engine doesn't need it, you're literally just paying more for the same performance. Now, if your manual says premium recommended, that usually means regular is fine, but premium may give you slightly better performance. If it says premium required, then yeah, use premium. But for everyone else, save that money. I mean, we're trying to save fuel costs here, not create new ones. Here's that bonus tip that I promised. Check your fuel cap. Yes, really. A loose, damaged or missing petrol cap can allow fuel to evaporate right out of your tank. We are talking about potentially liters of fuel per year, just gone in thin air. If your check engine light came on and you just filled up, first thing you should do is make sure that your petrol cap is tight. In fact, about 17% of vehicles on the road have petrol cap issues. Is such a simple fix, but hardly everyone thinks about it. So give that cap a good twist until you hear it click. Some people say 3, but honestly, just make sure it's snug. So there you have it, folks. 10 ways plus a bonus to save fuel and keep money in your pocket. None of these require you to be a mechanic or spend a bunch of money up front. It's all about driving smarter and taking care of your car. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips this week. Maybe check your tire pressure or clean out your boot. Then add another tip next week before you know it. These habits become second nature, and you'll actually notice the difference at the pump. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Gear Culture for more practical car tips. Drop a comment, let me know which tip you're going to try first, and or if you have any fuel saving secrets of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, drive smart, save that fuel. Peace out!